This one from Tesla Owners US, and we have Dan and Christian here. They are from Blue Chip, and Blue Chip is doing the repair for my Model Y. I let the camera run, and they are doing it very quickly. They are the first ones. Actually, they beat Tesla.
Oh yeah?
Because Tesla didn't have the parts. I checked with them. They gave me an appointment. Then it was due last week. And then I said, sorry, we don't have the parts for you. We'll be on the 15th. No. Today is the 1st of March. And you guys are faster. Okay, that's what I recommend. If you want to have a fast repair and a good repair, and we're going to find out, we will have this here with Blue Chip Auto Class. All right.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Is that in the way? Or is that okay?
That's fine.
That's fine. Okay, cool. Cool, guys. Let's go.
Don't blink, you'll miss it.
Windshield wipers off as well?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, it's already out.
Yep.
Cool. Do it.
So the bracket comes from the manufacturer already mounted to the glass so that it's within spec, so we don't have any chance of it being mounted in the wrong area.
Yeah.
And then we mount all of the electronic devices to it before putting it in to make it easier.
Yeah.
Just vacuum up the top, please.
All the middle of the brick. You know, I'm always happy that there's an alternative, you know?
Right.
Oh. This VIN number is just on the sticker.
Mm-hmm. That's how they all are anymore. It's just a sticker on a piece of metal.
Wow.
It's kind of wild. Very, very few etch the metal anymore. Check this side.
I'm going to start putting it back in.
Yes, sir. It is ready. Very good work, my man. Very good work.
Obviously.
Fire hydrant, please. When it says calibration in progress, I'll just take a picture.
Okay, you guys are ready? Key.
So, there you go.
Yes.
Take a look
Okay.
at it.
Perfect. Yeah. It probably needs to do. Is it already the 2-camera thingy?
It's already recalibrated. Yep, it's 3 camera. So
Three
triple
cameras, right.
Yeah, there's 3 lenses. If you
Yeah.
look here, you can see there's 3 lenses. You have your wide view, your fisheye. I'm sorry, your main view, your narrow, and your fisheye. Those are
Yeah.
the 3 that are up here that operate your autopilot system. We
Okay.
check when we do our pitch verification with the computer. We're making sure all of them are looking where we want them to look. I do one before and I do one after just to ensure that we're within spec.
Cool.
We did the recalibration, took it on the road, did the counter, got 100% on everything. Quick couple signatures from you
Yeah.
and you're good to go.
Okay, let me get the
Yeah,
signatures.
for sure.
Okay. So
Signature
from
there.
here. Okay.
Perfect.
And you do all of that with the insurance.
We take care of all of it with the insurance.
You know what? That's another example. Tesla doesn't do it.
Really?
Tesla gives me a bill and says, "Here's your bill. You deal with the insurance." It's
We have
problem."
a couple insurance companies that do require us to collect and submit,
Yeah.
but for the most part, like State Farm, Geico, they will cover it without having to do a reimbursement type thing.
Excellent.
Uploaded that. As soon as that's uploaded, I'm gonna get one more signature from you. Okay. Signature there for completion of work down at the bottom there.
Yeah. For completion of work.
Perfect.
Okay.
Well, you are all
Scribble,
set.
scribble. Hey, thank you very much,
Absolutely,
guys.
it's been a pleasure.
Blue Chip, yeah.
Always remember Blue Chip.
Okay,
we appreciate
good.
the business.
Okay, good. And yeah, this will conclude our movie. I'm gonna put it all together nicely, and thank you very much. Okay.